In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can enter and exit the recovery mode on Nothing Phone 3. So first of all, we need to turn off our phone. We're gonna press power button and volume up button at the same time so that this power menu shows up. And we're gonna tap on power off to turn off our device. Wait a couple of seconds to let the phone completely shut down. And after that, we're gonna press and hold power button and volume down button. Press and hold both of these buttons for a couple of seconds until you see this screen. And over here we can navigate in this menu by using volume buttons, and you should be able to find recovery mode option and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Now we need to wait a couple of seconds. Our phone will reboot and we should see that Android logo with no command text. Over here we can press the power button, and while holding the power button we need to press the volume up button. So hold power button and then press the volume up button in the meantime. And as you can see right now we are in the recovery mode. Here we once again navigate by using volume buttons. You can choose any of these options by pressing the power button. And if you want to exit the recovery mode, you need to simply choose this first option, reboot system now. So if you select this option, your phone will restart and it should go back into the normal mode. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.